This is a quick review of the Dyson Gen 5 outsize. It's a very powerful cleaning in a super-sized package. So the outsize cordless vacuum is a very formidable cleaning machine that brings cord level power to a cordless format. Again, Dyson's most advanced and powerful HEPA cordless vacuum to date. So it offers an impressive array of features designed for thorough whole home cleaning. Again, it has unmatched power and runtime. At the heart of the outsize is Dyson's latest hyper-dynium digital motor, spinning up to 135,000 RPM to deliver a whopping 280 air watts of suction power. So this translates to exceptional cleaning performance across all surfaces. So it comes with two batteries, providing up to 140 minutes of fade-free runtime, so you can tackle even the largest homes. So easy to move the battery here. You could take one out and charge while you're using the second one. It's a digital display here. So this is pretty heavy in its name, oversized. So if you want light compact, this is not the one. Dyson. Again, with this outside boasts a 25% water cleaning head and a 150% larger capacity bin compared to the standard Gen 5 model. Again, this is the head, pretty big. Also comes with the fluffy optic cleaner head that uses precise angle light to reveal twice the amount of visible dust on hard floors. Again, it has advanced filtration, so for allergy sufferers, the Gen 5 outsize whole machine helper filtration system is a game changer. It captures and seals 99.99% of particles, as far as 0.1 microns, including allergens and even viruses. Again, this is 8.6 pounds. This vacuum is heavier than many cordless models, so maybe a concern for others. But the premium features also comes with a premium price tag, so making it a significant investment. So overall, the Dyson Gen 5 outsize cordless vacuum cleaner is a top-tier cleaning solution that combines again power, capacity, and advanced technology. So it may be an overkill for smaller homes, but those with large spaces and desire to thorough, efficient cleaning will find it a worthy investment. So its ability to deep clean various surfaces, long runtime, and an excellent filtration is the standout choice for most for its high-end cordless vacuum market.